Hi everyone, and welcome to our remedy of the week. Today we are looking at a classic and powerful remedy, especially beloved by parents, chamomilla. Chamomilla or chamomile is a well-known calming herbal tea, but in homeopathy, its action goes far beyond that soothing cup. It addresses intense irritability, pain, and hypersensitivity, um, and especially in children. The herb's official name is Matricaria chamomilla or Chamomilla recutita, and is also known as German or blue chamomile. Uh, it is a dainty white and yellow flower from the Asteraceae family. Traditionally, it has been used for colic, teething pain, menstrual cramps, sleeplessness, and it is my favorite, my ultimate go-to remedy or tea for all tummy upsets. It also produces amazing essential oil that has blue color. That's why it's called blue chamomile. And that's because it has high chamazolen content. And the essential oil is used for sleep issues. It helps reduce depression and anxiety. It helps calm skin irritation and promote wound healing. It is also supportive for digestion and offers pain relief. Um, it is also a common component in many baby skin products. Chamomile tea is amazing, but it doesn't reach the depth of action seen in homeopathic preparation. So as a homeopathic remedy, chamomilla is one of the top remedies for conditions marked by oversensitivity, especially to pain, to noise, and touch. Many parents know it in the form of powders or granules for teething children who are inconsolable and irritable. Dr. Hahnemann described chamomilla as particularly suited for children who are extremely fretful, cry out, and want to be carried constantly, but still scream when put down. It's as if the child can't decide what they actually want. And, they keep wanting something, you give it to them, and they throw it away, or they don't want it suddenly and want something else. So chamomilla is indicated when symptoms are accompanied by irritability, restlessness, and extreme sensitivity to pain. According to James Tyler Kent, chamomilla is for patients, or the patient who needs chamomilla is cross, ugly, and ugly acting. They are sensitive to pain, to emotions, to surroundings, and the children want to be carried constantly. Some of the things that chamomilla can help you with are, as we already said, the irritability with pain, the teething in babies, especially when there is drooling, diarrhea, and screaming together with teething, colic in infants, where the baby is arching their back. As a side note, if your baby has these symptoms, like colic, arching the back, apart from trying the homeopathic remedy, I would strongly suggest that you work with a lactation consultant as well, because oftentimes the root cause is latch issue that can be easily solved. Menstrual cramps, that's another thing that chamomilla can help with, especially when there is intense pain and mood swings. Fever with restlessness. Typical sign is one cheek red, one cheek pale, and that occurs oftentimes with teething. The oversensitivity to pain, emotional reactivity such as anger, impatience, or being snappy. The person that needs chamomilla that has these symptoms would usually feel better from being carried, or obviously probably wouldn't carry adult, but they would feel better for maybe a hug, and they would feel worse at night. So, the babies, the colic and all that is usually worse at night. And also things like coffee, wind, or anger can make the symptoms worse. Chamomilla is one of the best examples of how homeopathy addresses both body and mind. The emotional state is angry, demanding, inconsolable. It is often helpful for children who are maybe a bit spoiled, oversensitive, and hard to please, but also for adults in emotional states where pain and anger go hand in hand. William Earache summarized chamomilla beautifully as a remedy, especially of use in diseases of children, where there is peevishness, restlessness, and colic is prominent. Chamomile reminds us, or remedy chamomilla reminds us, that emotional distress is often the key to physical healing. Whether it's a teething baby or irritable adult or anyone who says, I can't bear this anymore, chamomilla can soothe the storm with precision and grace. So thank you for joining me this week again for Remedy of the Week, and stay tuned for the next gem of the Treasury of Homeopathy, which will be another remedy well known by many parents, pulsatilla. Until then, may your days be peaceful and your nights restful. Bye!